Today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove music from your Instagram profile in just a few simple steps. Whether you added a song and want a change or just prefer a clean music-free profile, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Launch Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your posts, highlights, and bio. Here's the first method to remove the song. Tap on the song that's currently displayed in your bio. You'll see a pop-up appear. From there, simply select Remove Song. It's that easy. Now, when you look back at your bio, the song will be gone. Alternatively, there's another way to do this. Tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down until you find the option that says Music under the bio section. Remove Song, and hit the checkmark or Save button to confirm your changes. The song will now be removed from your profile. And that's how you remove music from your Instagram profile. Super simple, right?